On the table, there are baskets of only 2 styles. Each style and basket contains 4 apples and 2 bananas, while each style and basket contains 2 apples and 4 bananas. If there's a total of 24 apples and 30 bananas inside all the baskets combined, how many baskets are on the table? Sometimes people just rush into representing what they read in the problem with variables or equations. And for example, they take this, right, and say, oh, okay, so each style and basket contains 4 apples and 2 bananas. So that means that 4 apples put together with 2 bananas make 1 style and basket. As if the variables represented objects, right? M representing a basket, A representing an apple, B representing a banana. Actually, this is the wrong approach. No way. Remember, variables should stand for quantities. So think about what are the quantities you don't know here. First of all, you're being asked how many baskets are on the table. And the baskets are 2 styles. Style M basket, let's say that you had M different baskets, okay, of style M. And another group is the style N baskets, which you could count in N. Okay, that'd be the number of style N baskets, small n. So that's to say we're looking forward to find the value of this sum. M plus N represents the total number of baskets. So where do my equations come from? Here, always look for a hint, which is the word total in a problem. A total must always be the product of 2 quantities or the sum of 2 quantities. So if they're telling you that there's a total of 24 apples, think about that. Where do these 24 apples come from? They come from both groups of baskets, right? Let's say we have here the apples, we have here the bananas, we have here the M style, okay, and the style N. So we want to express, right, the total number of apples, which is 24. They come from the apples in style and basket. How many baskets of this style are there? There are M. Each of them contains 4 apples. So totally there are N times 4 apples. That is 4M apples. But in the style N basket, there are apples too. But here, there are N baskets containing 2 apples each. So you will have N times 2 apples, which is 2N. And this, if you sum, would give you 24. So the apples from the style N baskets plus the apples from the style N baskets should be 24 in total. That equation represents that. What about the bananas? Each of the style N baskets contains 2 bananas. So totally M times 2, that is 2M bananas. And in the style N baskets containing 4 bananas each, so we have N times 4, 4N bananas. This sum should be the total bananas 30. So we have our 2 equations. We can solve M and N. But instead of just rushing into solving the 2 equations together, we can just notice that these coefficients here, they sum the same. 4 and 2 is 6, 2 and 4 is 6, so they are alternate, right? So what about if we just sum the equations? We would have 6 times N plus N equals 54. So from this, we instantly know that this number must be 9. That's the answer choice. So this is a useful shortcut. Don't always rush into solving each individual variable. Sometimes you can just spot a certain pattern which can save you a couple of operations, right? To get faster to the solution.